What's up and welcome back. For those that are new here, my name's Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports. And yesterday, with no college football, no NFL, we still ended up profiting 2 units. So not bad for just baseball. So definitely was a lighter day. We didn't have very many plays, but still going up 2 units. Can't complain there. So we're back today, and I have the absolute cheat code for you. So if you stick around, I'm going to share with you exactly how to utilize this cheat code, and it's over on Chalkboard. So if you go over to Chalkboard and you're not a user yet, use the code 907 Fantasy over there, and they're going to hook you up with a $100 welcome bonus by using my code 907 Fantasy. So go ahead and get signed up over there. But let's hop into what this cheat code is. And what they're doing is Chalkboard every single day. They have between 6 and 10 or 6 and 12 discounted and boosted player props between baseball, soccer, football, college football, NFL, basketball, WNBA, all of that. So they have all these discounts and boosted plays throughout the day. So if you go over there, they usually drop the lines pretty early in the morning and go over there. I usually risk about a quarter unit to a half unit on each one of these plays. And then I pair it up with college football and NFL for the weekend or for Monday night or Thursday night games. Now, the nice part about this is we can boost these plays and match them up with the lines that we like the most for college football. And with the payout boost there, you can adjust the lines with Chalkboard. So take the boosted plays and then lower the lines on something that you know is going to hit. And then 9 times out of 10, maybe not that high, but pretty often these hit. I think we played 10 of them yesterday, and there was two that didn't hit. So 8 out of 10 yesterday with these boosted and discounted player props. So we're sitting pretty. We have 6 that are green heading into Thursday night football and Saturday for college football. So we're half green on 6 of them. And I'll share some of them right here with what we're doing. But take advantage of these. Use that to build your bankroll. It's an easy way to just risk a little bit and have a higher payout for these boosted plays. So I'll share a couple of them that I'm playing here. So these are some that are half green right here. And then with that, here are 3. I'll share with you 3 out of, I think there's 10 of them today that are over here that we're matching up. So they're mainly baseball right now, and we're matching those up with some Thursday night football between the Jets and the Patriots. Now, all the rest of them are going to be up here on the Winible. It's winnable.com/907 Fantasy Sports. That's where you can find all the discounted player props, all the plays for this weekend. The weekend pass here is $100, and that's going to get you all the plays between now, today, and all the way to Sunday night for the games. So go ahead and take advantage of that. That's $100. If you use the code Chalkboard here, because that's where we're playing a lot of these plays. If you use the code Chalkboard, it's going to get you 70% off of that weekend pass. So go ahead and get up here on the Winible, winnable.com/907 Fantasy Sports. Take advantage of that. Get on Chalkboard. Use all these discounted player props and boosted plays and start building your bankroll today. So go ahead and take advantage of that. Get up there. Subscribe to the weekend pass. Use code Chalkboard to get 70% off. And let's go build our bankroll this week. Let's go and go cash some more units. Go up. Goal for this weekend is 40 units by the end of Sunday. So that's what we're putting out there. That's the goal. So go ahead and take advantage of all that. Good luck with all of your plays today. Here's the two or three free plays here. And let's go cash. So good luck, and we'll see you tomorrow.